Hi, it's time for something spooky because it's almost Halloween. So I'm going to tell you the story about the spooky old tree. This is written by Jan and Stan Berenstain. It was published in 1978. The Berenstain Bears and the Spooky Old Tree. Three little bears, one with a light, one with a stick, one with a rope. A spooky old tree. Do they dare go into that spooky old tree? Yes, they dare. Three little bears, one with a light, one with a stick, one with a rope. A twisty old stair. Do they dare go up that twisty old stair? Yes, they dare. Three little bears, one with a light, one with a stick, and one with the shivers. A giant key, a moving wall. Will the three little bears go through that wall? Do they dare go into that spooky old tree? Yes, they dare. Three little bears, one with the light and two with the shivers. Great Sleeping Bear. Do they dare go over Great Sleeping Bear? So, of course, they went over Great Sleeping Bear. Three little bears, without a light, without a stick, without a rope, and all with the shivers. How will they ever get out of there? Up a ladder, through the floor, down a slide, and out of a door. Three little bears running fast. Home again, safe at last.